Hey, it's Rebecca with Wishes Family Travel, and I am here at Disneyland, and I want to show you how to use the Max Pass feature on the Disneyland app. So the first thing that you do is you click the plus sign, and it says to get Fast Pass with Disney Max Pass. You can do other things, but we're going to focus on that. And then create your party. So we have 5 in my family, so we select all and then continue. And then you pick which park you're in. Today we're at California Adventure, and so then it'll tell us which Fast Passes are available. And you can see all the different ones that they have and what time the next available time is. So we want to do Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. So you can see that now we have a Fast Pass for that from 12:20 to 1:20. You confirm. And then it adds it to your plans. And if you scroll up, you can see we can make a new Fast Pass at 12:02 p.m. So what my family has done is we've set an alarm on one of our phones for 12:02 so that we can go in and make another Fast Pass for later in the day. So we click I'm done. And then if you go to My Plans, then you'll see the 2 Fast Passes that we have. Now the interesting thing with the Max Pass, Emily, if you'll scroll up again, no, down, I mean, to see the, yes. So if you can see the times, you can see that our Fast Passes here actually overlap because our Radiator Springs ends at 12:35, but Guardians of the Galaxy starts at 12:20. So that was something that surprised me here at Disneyland Park, that we could have overlapping Fast Pass times. So just wanted to show you a little bit about the Max Pass system. And it is an additional $15 per ticket per day to add that feature, but it really does help you get a lot more done while you're in the parks at Disneyland. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.